Art. Today we're going to show you how to quickly make an origami pencil. Now there's lots of different types of origami pencils out there. I think this is the easiest of them all. It's really quick to learn and really fun to make. They make great little bookmarks that you can add them onto a teacher's card. So if it's the end of term, you can do it as a thank you card. If it's beginning of term, you can say a welcome card. So I think that's a really nice little fun craft for back to school, depending on what time of year you're watching this video. Now, this video was first created by my daughter over on Red Ted and Pip. I would love for you to pop over and check out her video too. But in the meantime, let's take a look and see how these origami pencils are made. To make these pencils, you will need half a sheet of origami paper. So this is roughly 14 by 14, so 7 by 14 is a good figure. So firstly, we'll fold it in half to cut it. Do it as neatly as possible. And then if you want to make one of the thinner pencils like here, you just fold it in half again, and then you can make 2 more thinner pencils. Keep those aside. So, making your pencil, turn it round, fold in half. Nice neat crease, open. Bring the top down by about 1 centimeter. This is the width of your pencil tip. So you make sure you have it maybe 1.5 centimeters, whatever tip you want. If you want it shorter, you can make this a bit shorter. Flip your origami paper over again. Bring the corner into the center. Make a super neat crease, bring this corner into the center, and again a super neat crease. Now you need to bring this corner again into the center, so you're getting another diagonal. It's going to be a bit trickier because this up here gets quite stiff, and again the same on that side. Flip your page. Can you see you now have the top of your pencil, which is great. Now you have to choose how much white bit you want in your pencil. So you can have it further up or further down. I'm going to go and try and match them a little bit so that they all fit together. I think that's good. Don't worry about any white parts showing. We'll fold those away in a minute. Turn it around. And now bring a fold here up to the side. And same again on the other side. So again, up to that corner. And flip it around. You've made your little pencil. Now making the thin one is exactly the same. I'm just going to quickly show you. I'll be a bit faster this time, but it's exactly the same process. It's just thinner. So you fold it in half. You bring down the nib. I've made mine a bit shorter this time because it's a thinner pencil. Maybe 0.5 centimeter. Bring the corners down. And again. And again. Flip it round, bring it up. Again, you can measure it against your other pencils. And fold it in. There you go. And your thin pencil's finished. And that was it. Now, Remember, do hop over to my daughter's channel, Redhead and Pip. I've put that in the iCards. Check out her pencils, they're super cute. She's put lots of kawaii faces on them. I love that they're all sorts of different colors and patterns, and they look really great. And yeah, if you like this craft, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, but as per usual, just keep watching and keep making, and of course I'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.